Conflict theory suggests that society is in a constant state of struggle over limited resources. Let's break down what this actually means. At its heart, this theory focuses on competition. It argues that social order is maintained by power and domination rather than consensus. Consider how wealth is distributed. Conflict theorists look at statistics like this to explain why certain groups maintain influence while others struggle. These four pillars define the theory. It assumes resources are finite, leading groups to compete for control over money, land, and influence. While functionalism sees society as a stable machine working in harmony, conflict theory views it as a site of constant tension. This chart illustrates why conflict arises. When one group holds the vast majority, those with less are incentivized to challenge the existing structure. The takeaway is that those who set the rules often do so to protect their own interests, which is the driver of social change. Understanding conflict theory helps investors and citizens analyze how power shapes the economy. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about how the world works.